3, 2, 1, crescendo.
First 50 seconds of every robotics match is completely pre-programmed and autonomous. Team 9996 trying to move across that blue taped line. The autonomous period is the only time during that you can get points for a movement alone. 94-26, Galactech getting pushed by their teammate to just barely touching that line. Had to fully cross it for it to get points during that time. The remaining 2 minutes, 15 seconds, completely tele-operated, human-controlled. Players pick up their controllers, control the robots that their team built over this past season. Team 554, the Blue Grease Crew, currently in rank 15, needing to pull off a win here to increase their ranking. Rankings are based on the average ranking point score. You get 2 points for winning, 1 point if you tie, and an additional for those melody and ensemble bonus points. 3201, a high performer throughout all of today's match. The robot's name is Atlas. Last girls driving the drive team today. Lots of bumper-on-bumper action on both sides of the fields. That is allowed as long as the contact time is kept to a minimum. I believe the threshold there is 5 seconds. Our refs keeping a close eye on all of those contact encounters. Team 7457, that's Super Duper from Indianapolis, swiftly maneuvering around the field with their swerve drive mechanism. That's just a different way for to move around the field using those different wheelbase, allowing them to decrease their cycle time, the time from picking up a game piece to delivering it into the proper receptacle. Blue Lions now opting to amplify. That means every game piece scored into the top part of that speaker is worth 5 points. That lasts for 10 seconds and costs 2 notes in the amp. Amps is that slow, low-scoring goal worth 1 point each. Team 3201 just shy of placing a note in the amp. Blue Lions now starting to shuttle those notes. You'll see them picking them up from their human player station and then tossing them across the field. That is allowed as long as they stay inside the field of play. Galactech, Team 4926, lost their way on the field. They're just getting some bumper-on-bumper action, but they'll maneuver around that to hopefully deliver notes for their teams. Score is currently 42-41. 1 point difference and only 30 seconds remaining for teams to make the difference. Robot pieces flying off the robot and all over the field. 17-21 fixed gears. Having some issues with that in today's event, but they're still up and moving. That guitar riff lets us know we're now 20 seconds remaining in the match. You'll start to see human players tossing those ringed notes, trying to get on those metal posts and score additional points for their alliance. Each team having 1 robot in the air, Super Duper trying to score their additional point in the trap. That's worth 5 points. That could be the difference as we wind down our time. And that's all for qualification match 18 here at Riverboat Rumble. Here are your scores, qualification match 18. Your winners are the Red Alliance. Score is 59-54, 5 point difference. Due to a violation of G424, Blue Alliance will get that melody ranking point. That's contact in the last 20 seconds in that stage area, so they'll get that people looking icon for free. Red Alliance still able to pull off the win for 2 for winning and 1.